Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna teach you about pieces and their starting position in the chessboard. Let's start with kings. The white king sitting in e1 and black's kings sitting in e8. Next pieces are queens. White queen sitting in d1 and black's queen sitting in d8. If you want to compare king and queen, king is a little bit taller than queen and queen sitting in the same color of itself. So white queen sitting in d1, which is white square, and black queen sitting in d8, which is black square. Next pieces are bishops. Each player has two bishops. White bishop sitting in c1 and f1 and black bishop sitting in c8 and f8. Next pieces are knights. White knights sitting in b1 and g1 and black knights sitting in b8 and g8. Next pieces, and in the corner we have rooks. So white's rooks sitting in a1 and h1 and black's rooks sitting in a8 and h8. Finally, we have pawns. Each player has 8 pawns. So white's pawns sitting on rank number 2 and black's pawns sitting on rank number 7. This is all about chess pieces and their starting position on the chessboard. If you like this video, please subscribe on my channel and share it with your friends. See you in next video.